Good morning and welcome to Westhampton Cottage, making every day special. Home, coffee, food, dining, shopping, places, and spaces. Please join me for lunch. I'm having chicken and broccoli. Tomorrow is fresh with no mistakes in it. With my lunch, I'm having a lovely cup of herbal tea. Starting your day. Sit in a chair and allow your body to settle. Slowly scan your body from head to toe, noticing where you feel tight. Bring your attention to your breathing, inhaling and exhaling through the nose, but never forcing your breath. Keep your mouth softly closed and your jaw relaxed. Become more and more sensitive to your breath, in tune with where your body moves and doesn't move on the inhale and exhale. Allow your awareness of your breath to bring ease to your entire body. Imagine your body moving towards the earth, fully supported. Continue observing your breath moving in and out of your body. At the end of several minutes, breathe deeply several times, allowing the inhale to move down to your toes and the exhale to move up and out of the top of your shoulders. Pause and then open your eyes. To relieve stress and find your flow, listen to soothing music, connecting with nature, exploring your creative side, and connecting with friends can also help restore your energy and leave you better equipped to cope with stress in the long run. Whenever you can get out of your head a bit, even if it's just dancing around the room or going to be helpful in taking the edge off. These activities can not only help ease tension, but infuse your day with happy moments and nourish your spirit. Make time for yourself. Carve out a few hours each week just for pursuing pleasure. Whether they're simply reading or rereading a beloved book, getting a massage, these little pockets of time are a key to creating a more joyful life, the perfect antidote to everyday stress. It's wonderful listening to beautiful birds sing. Now it's time to enjoy the afternoon drive in the rain. Thanks for visiting Westhampton Cottage and have a wonderful day and make every day special.